Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your UTM parameters using Google Campaign. To transfer your UTM parameters using Google Campaign URL Builder, start by opening your web browser. Type Google Campaign URL Builder in the search bar and hit enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. You will be directed to the Campaign URL Builder page. Locate the URL field at the top of the page. Enter the full URL of the page you want to track. Next, move to the campaign source field. Input the source of your traffic, such as newsletter or Facebook. Then, fill in the campaign medium field. This could be email, social, or any medium you are using to drive traffic. Now, go to the campaign name field. This is where you categorize your campaign's name, such as spring_sale. Optionally, you can also fill in campaign term and campaign content fields. These options help differentiate specific ads or keywords. After filling in the necessary fields, your UTM parameters will automatically populate below. Scroll down to see the generated URL with the UTM parameters included. Copy this newly created URL. You can now use this URL in your marketing channels, ensuring proper tracking. Remember to test the URL to verify that the UTM parameters are working correctly. This process allows you to analyze the effectiveness of different campaigns in Google Analytics. By using UTM parameters, you gain valuable insights into your marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.